All right, we're going to take a look here at a demo of using FoxMQ for job orchestration. This is all just a simulation, but it demonstrates how we can use TCE currently in the model of FoxMQ with 4 FoxMQ nodes and 3 workers to coordinate jobs across those 3 workers. So this is something that Felipe built. First, we'll start by showing how easy it is to get FoxMQ going. I'm going to start off with our first worker, which will be key 0. So this is our FoxMQ node. We're going to go with key 1 on the next one, key 2, and then finally key 3. There we go. Okay, now we have 4 FoxMQ nodes running, synchronizing with each other. I've got the outputs going right here so you can kind of see what's going on. Now we're going to start up the proxy. This proxy simply allows us to access these FoxMQ nodes from the web. So there, the proxy is started. And now we're going to start up 3 workers. Super simple to get this going. Perfect. All right, we have 3 workers now available for picking up jobs. The jobs are going to come in through FoxMQ, and then they're going to be assigned to a worker. The worker is going to report itself as busy while it's working on the job. Then it's going to report the complete job, and then it's going to report itself as idle and ready for the next job. So let's go ahead and switch over to our WebSocket client. And in here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to connect here to our worker cluster via the proxy. So you can see that the first 3 workers, the workers initially reported themselves as idle, then one of them disconnected, and then it reported itself as idle again. So in this way, while it's disconnected, it's not going to be able to pick up any jobs. We've got it simulating that, so each worker randomly will report itself as disconnected and then reconnect after a period of time. So simply what we can do here is report a client ID. This is simulating a job, so we're going to go ahead and send it. This would be a job payload. In this case, we're just going to send the client ID with an ID as the job payload. And what you'll see is that we've submitted the job right here. You'll see that a worker has claimed it. If we look at the worker ID right here, we can see this is 477 accepted the job, and the job is not complete. 477 then reports itself as busy. We can skip this one because this is 760 coming back online after being disconnected above. But then we can see that the job was completed. So you can see completed equals true for the worker 477. And now that it's completed, 477 now reports itself as idle again. So it went from idle here, accepting the job, busy, completing the job, and now it's idle again and ready for the next job. Okay. So now we've got a number, I think we've got 2 of them that are idle right now, 477 and what is our other one, 760 are idle right now. Okay, 183 is back online, so let's go ahead and send this. So we're going to send another job. You'll see this one is also picked up by 477, completed false, busy, completed true, and idle. Great, so we're just going to change the client ID here real quick, send again. Again, picked up by 477, totally expected when you only have 3 workers picking them up. But let's go ahead and do it again, see if we can get another worker. There we go. We got worker 183 who picked up the job this time, completed false, set itself to busy, completed true, and then set itself to idle again, so it's ready for the next job. So we can see here that we as the client are submitting a job to be completed. We're using FoxMQ to order the jobs that have come in, and then the workers are assigned the job, and we don't know exactly who's going to accept the job. That's all dependent on who's available and a random selection coming out of the queue. But the important thing is that if we were to submit multiple jobs, those jobs would be ordered fairly and assigned fairly, meaning that they'll be assigned in the order that they were sequenced by FoxMQ. That may not guarantee which worker gets it. It's kind of random which worker will get it, but we at least know that the jobs were ordered fairly before they were picked up and assigned by the worker. All right, that's the demo.